On contact corner.
What's up guys, it's Magaz here. This footage is from the final public game at Camp Sparta. For this game, the whole site was in play. Both teams had a CP with a flag. The objective was to defend your team's... Wait a minute, no. Nah. I'm not explaining capture the flag. This was capture the flag, so deal with it. We jump in here as we are fighting our way towards the south side of the site where a large enemy force had just landed in the roaming van.
That guy's just pulled out. There was a live guy right behind him. Yeah, let's do it. Right, push him behind you. Are you dead? Yeah. I think there's somebody just behind this bush. On contact corner. Fucking hell.
At this point we had pushed down the main road and taken up a position by the SAS building. We spotted a small group of enemy players making their way towards our CP and we decided to make a hard push on their position. We stumbled into a much larger force than we had anticipated, but we took them by surprise.
Medic? Oh shit.
It would have been nice if that bloke had taken that hit and I could have been medic back in and we could have continued the fight, but, you know, fuck it.
Yeah, hit, medic! Medic!
From here we were tasked with escorting 2 vehicles towards the enemy CP. Unfortunately for us, the enemy force had pushed out and taken up defensive positions in and around the buildings and woodland areas. Those feet ain't bulletproof, are they, mate?
Fuck me. Hey guys, push up. The guy on the right front is down. Killed the guy in here a second ago, but that's not to say that this is clear. One down. Ah, sorry dude. Magazine. Yeah, he's always friendly. Right, push on the van then, dude. Whoa.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Done.
Nice.
Thank you. Cheers.
We found out that the van had almost all of our team pushing it forwards. The snatched Land Rover needed some help. Myself and a group of tight jeans, tight grouping low operators switched over to help push it forwards towards the objective.
I think I'm too small for this shit. That's probably important. Oh, on the left, on the left. Come on, fucking hell.
Right now, together we are about to learn why it is critically important that you seat that magazine correctly into your weapon system before firing.
Fucking magazine.
It was obvious that we could not push the Landy forwards at this point. Half of the team split off and we made an attempt to rotate around on the enemy team who had set up a fiercely effective defensive line.
Hey guys, one time this corner. Sit. Oh, right nice. Right and back. On your left. Yeah.
And that is it, guys. If you want to see more of this stuff, hit subscribe, tell a friend what I'm doing, share it on the worst airsoft groups on Facebook, and hit the like button. If you're still sat in the toilet, check out one of the videos that's on screen right now while you wipe. I'm Magaz, thanks for watching, and as always, the air may be soft, but our balls are hard.